Let's be honest, if you have sensitive skin, you have probably been super scared to even look at essential oils, let alone apply them. But what if I told you that when used the right way, essential oils can actually heal sensitive skin instead of hurting it? Hi, I'm Vidhi and I'm a certified expert in cosmetic science and aromatherapy, and for over a decade I've helped sensitive skin heal naturally. I founded Oleum Cottage to offer real effective solutions for sensitive skin and chronic skin conditions without using anything harsh. Today I want to show you exactly how essential oils work and the principles of aromatherapy and how powerful allies they can be for sensitive, inflamed or reactive skin without triggering flare-ups or causing irritation. So let's start with what we are really talking about here. What is sensitive skin? Sensitive skin isn't a skin type. It's a skin condition. It means your skin overreacts to triggers that wouldn't affect most people, like fragrance, weather changes, certain fabric, and even stress. The outermost layer of your skin, called the skin barrier, is weaker in sensitive skin. Now, scientifically, it's called the stratum corneum, but most of us just know it as skin barrier. So I'm going to keep it simple here. Now, this is our body's first line of defense. Okay, so think of it like a leaky wall. Irritants can get in and moisture can escape, which is get out easily. And this is why your skin often feels dry, itchy, tight, and inflamed. But here's where essential oils can really come in. If chosen carefully, blended with the right intention, aromatherapy dosage, they can really help restore, soothe, and strengthen this compromised skin barrier. So let's first understand what is aromatherapy and how essential oils are made. Aromatherapy is the art and science of using plant-based essential oils to support physical, emotional, honestly it's one of my favorite parts, and skin health. It's rooted in ancient traditions from Egyptians to Ayurveda, and it works by tapping into body's natural ability to heal and restore balance. Essential oils are made by distilling or cold pressing specific parts of plants like flowers, leaves, roots, or even barks to extract pure concentrated aromatic compounds. These are the plant's own defense and communication systems, like nature's version of a healing serum. And when used mindfully in the right dosage, these oils can do something really incredible. They can bring your skin back into balance, help reduce inflammation, support your skin barrier, and even improve how your skin responds to emotional or environmental stress. So, it's not just about treating symptoms, it's about helping your skin become its healthiest, calmest, most radiant version of itself. And isn't that amazing? So let's break down the science a little. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts made from flowers, roots, leaves, or even tree bark. We already discussed this. Now, what really makes them powerful is the complex mix of these natural chemical compounds inside, like linalool, camisolene, or bisabolol. These compounds aren't just pretty smelling. They have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial and even cell regenerative effects. And here's how this works for sensitive skin. One, as I mentioned, is anti-inflammatory compounds. Oils like German chamomile or blue tansy contain camisolene, a deep blue compound that calms redness and irritation at a cellular level. Number 2 is barrier support. Essential oils are lipophilic, which means they blend easily with oils in your skin. And when used in the right dilution, they can really support the lipid matrix of your skin's barrier and help it to hold on to moisture. Number 3 is emotional wellness, which also means skin wellness. And this is what most people miss. Your skin is so deeply connected to your nervous system, and essential oils like lavender, frankincense work through your olfactory system to regulate the stress and anxiety, which can reduce flare-ups caused by internal stressors. In aromatherapy, we call this the mind and skin connection. And this is one of my most favorite part of aromatherapy. But before now you rush to your cabinet, please hear this. Not all essential oils are suitable for sensitive skin. Some, like cinnamon, clove, or peppermint, are far too stimulating and can make sensitive skin absolutely worse. Instead, look for oils that are known to be gentle and calming and skin supportive. This would be lavender. It has anti-inflammatory and is very healing. We have chamomile. This could be German or Roman chamomile. Both are fine. They are amazing at soothing eczema and redness. We have rose. It helps with broken capillaries and rosacea prone skin. Then we have neroli. It is great for stress triggered sensitivity. And we have sandalwood, which is so grounding and highly anti-inflammatory. You really need to remember to always dilute essential oils in carrier oils. Honestly, I do not recommend a DIY with really pure therapeutic grade essential oils because they are very potent. Okay, so the video is so that you look for ingredients like these into products, into a brand that knows what it's doing with essential oils. Okay, this is especially if your skin is very sensitive. And if you anyway are gonna DIY, ensure you always dilute it with carrier oils like jojoba, sweet almond, sea buckthorn, or even calendula. So now let's go even deeper and understand how aromatherapy really goes beyond skin. This, like I said, is one of my most favorite part. Aromatherapy is not about applying just oils on your face. When you inhale essential oils, their molecules travel through your nose to your limbic system. And that part of the brain contains emotions, memory, and stress response. This is why even a few deep breaths of lavender or frankincense can really help your entire body feel calmer. And when you feel calmer, your skin reflects that. Fewer flare-ups, less inflammation, more resilience. So with aromatherapy, we are not just treating the skin, we are supporting the entire system that contributes to your skin health. Essential oils can either be your best friend or your worst enemy, especially with sensitive skin. But when you choose the right oils and use them the right way and understand the science and soul behind them, they can truly transform your skin from the inside out. I had acne. Look at my skin. I really did have acne, and I was able to heal it with essential oils and obviously a way better lifestyle. I hope this helped you feel more empowered, not more scared about essential oils. If you'd like me to share some safe recipes or how to layer them in your skincare routine, let me know in the comments. I'd love to create that for you. Until then, stay kind to your skin and even kinder to yourself.